What is up, you guys? Today's video, we're going to be talking about Netflix stock and whether it's a buy or not. So if you're new to the channel, check this out, guys. This is what I personally do to make all my income is trading stocks, but not just day trading. What I do is long-term investing, and you can't lose when you buy good companies, right? Good companies that are like the foundation of America and are growing and just what people use every day. So ideally, what we try to do here is we try to earn around 50 to 75% of our portfolio to grow around that time frame in 1 year. So 50%, 75% last year. My portfolio increased 50%. This year, I'm trying to increase it to 75%. This is my portfolio here, and I do own Netflix, and I think it's a great company. And I bought it on the dip areas. And what we do here is we show you the opportunities of how to buy everything, right? So let me show you guys here. This is Stonk Buddy. Stonk Buddy shows you we have a website now, but we are planning to make it an app very soon. We're in the process of doing that. And what we do here is we show you exactly the value of the stock. So the value, the intrinsic value, is what the stock is actually worth based on their income, their net profit, their cash flow, everything like that, their projected growth and everything like that is what the price should be fairly. Doesn't mean it's always that price. There is a supply and demand in the market, right? So it's wherever the money's flowing is where, stocks go up. For example, Intel it's popping off, right? But it's not worth the price that the stock is. The company, it's not its intrinsic value. So eventually that's going to end up catching up and the stock will drop. And it's happened so many times. I've seen it happen so many times. And that's, you want to invest in companies that are increasing and have a good financial statement. So this website shows you all that information. And we have a community where you could even follow AI portfolios. You can follow insider trading. You can follow even we have a community of traders where you can follow their trades as well. You can follow AI trades. We have AI. We have AI bots that have their own portfolios that are trading live, and they have to perform or else they get cut off. So we have our top 10 AI traders that one has done 58% year to date so far, and we that's what we like about Stonk Buddy, is that we always try to innovate and make everything better. So we have a community of traders that trade and show their positions, and you can follow their trades as well and get live notifications. You also have the AI portfolios as well, and you have insider trading. And what we try to do is give you the opportunities of what stocks to buy. And so that way you can buy them before they pop off. And we do this with our intrinsic value in our AI model as well here. So it's really, really cool. And for example, you can see this financial statement. Look how beautiful this is, right? This is what you want to see in a company you're investing in. A financial statement where the revenue is climbing year after year and the net income, which is the money they're taking home, is increasing. So you can see the growth that they have been making every year. And that's what you want to be investing in companies. So Stonk Buddy is rated a 78, which I think is great. Anything above 70 is an investable trade because it has the dipping opportunity where you can make money. You don't want to get into stocks where they're overvalued, and then they're going to go down, and you're going to get upset that, hey, I didn't buy it at that right price. So you don't want to ever get FOMO, and we have an opportunities page here where it shows you all of the stocks that have the best potential. ServiceNow, for example, is a SaaS company that is completely undervalued. All of the SaaS companies are undervalued currently, and there is technically a fear where AI is going to replicate this, but these are like the base. They're using AI to actually help their business. So they're actually making more money. They're crushing sales and revenue and things like that. I know that we're talking about Netflix in this video, but also an opportunity is those SaaS companies as well. Salesforce, CRM, Intuit. Of course, there's NVIDIA and Microsoft that are amazing. as well. But those are companies also that you want to keep an eye on. So that's what I personally think about. Let me show you also, guys, the Webull chart here, because I like to chart things as well for you guys. So we're going to go Webull desktop here, okay, and I'm going to pull it up on my side, and we're going to go to Netflix, because, and what's cool is that if you follow this community and everything like that, is exactly how you can grow your portfolio as well. I mean, like, I show you guys proof, and if you're following this channel along with this channel, you will learn, like, your portfolio is most likely to increase, because we give you guys opportunities, and we have that Stock Buddy, which is a community of traders that make money. We have a free version and a paid version, where the paid version you can follow AI portfolios, it can grade your portfolio, you can, I mean, it's just, and you can see all the opportunities. The free one gives you like 3 opportunities a day where you can see. It's just an amazing community that we have here, and that's what we love to do about it. We love, you know, everybody to make money and to grow. It's a win-win for everybody. All right, so Netflix, for example. Let me stop talking. Let me start doing more charts. So actually, I actually bought Netflix around this area here, and that was past earnings. I bought it around this 83 range, and it's been climbing. You know, here it's taking a little dip here, but there is support here, and it needs to move past this moving average to show that it's bullish right now. It's a little bit bearish in this opportunity, so we possibly could see it drop down a little more. If it breaks above this moving average, we might see it pop off and rally after that. But right now, for example, Netflix is a complete buy. Look at the past, right? I want to show you guys the past, because this has done this several times, and I want you guys to realize this, right? See that big hard drop from 134 all the way down? That went down 44%, right? Now let's go back to history. Look at that. Look at that drop here in 2021. And let's calculate that as well. That went down 77%, right? And then look how much it rallied right after. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You would have made so much money. If you had 100K in that, you would make, it would be at 650,000, right? In a span of how many? In a span of 3 years, you would 6x your money, right? And it has done this here too. It doesn't look that big here because the price is low, right? But it also has done that here as well. You can see how it has dropped 33% here as well. It's just like it has done this repeatedly, right? But, you know, it's one of those companies that, you know, Netflix ain't going nowhere, right? It's one of the biggest companies right now when it comes to streaming entertainment. It's the leader in it, and Paramount now is trying to compete with it, but I mean, Netflix is the standard. Everybody has it, and if they increase subscription prices just a little bit, their net income will just grow and skyrocket. They're trying to become more international, and I mean, it's just a great company. And if you want to ever check out Stock Buddy, check it out. I'll have the link in the description down below. Also, if you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, just leave a comment down below. You're entered to win a lifetime membership of Stock Buddy. Stock Buddy is free, and there is a paid version for 35 bucks, which gives you all of those like little edges. But honestly, 35 bucks is really cheap if you're going to be growing your portfolio year after year, right? And we're soon going to be making an app for this, and we love feedback from you guys of how we can improve it even better. Like, this is a community where we can all grow together, and as retail investors, you know, we have like we're like the small fry that we're trying to blow up and make money out of this, right? So Stock Buddy is where it shows you exactly what to do when it comes to trading and what stocks to buy, because that's the #1 question we get asked the most is, what stocks should I even be buying as a beginner, right? And we give it to you all on the opportunities page that is updated daily. So that's about it, guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace.